Python.
Python is a high-level object-oriented programming language. It is a general-purpose language with interactive features. Python is an open-source software and was founded by Guido van Rossum in 1991.
It derives its name from a comedy program named Python's Flying Circus. Python is extensively used in 1. Web development, 2. GUI application development, 3. Data analysis, 4. Software development, 5. Scientific applications. Features of Python programming. Python is a simple and powerful language. Following are the features of Python. Easy to understand. The syntax or grammar of Python is simpler, hence making it easier to learn and understand. Writing programs in Python is easy as compared to other high-level programming languages. Open source. Python is an open source language and can be easily downloaded from the internet for free. Portable. Programs written in Python can run on almost every known platform such as Windows, Linux, and Macintosh. Libraries and tools. Programming in Python is easier because the libraries and supporting tools make even a complicated task easy. Interpreted. It is an interpreted language that executes code line by line at a time, which makes debugging hassle-free. Integrated and extensible language. We can easily integrate Python with other languages such as C, C++. We can also write and compile a Python code in C or C++. Dynamic memory allocation. When an object is created in Python, memory is dynamically allocated to it. This memory is also retracted when it is no longer being used. Object-oriented. Python has an object-oriented approach. This means that the programs are designed using objects and classes that interact with each other.
Chapter 10. Introduction to Python. Hello Tanush, I am here again to teach you one of the most important computer languages. Hello Techie, I am very excited to learn a computer language. Which language will you teach me? I will teach you Python. It is a programming language. Techie, it sounds good. Tell me about Python. I want to learn about it. Tanush, this chapter introduces the Python programming language. It will not only encourage you to write complex programs in the simplest manner, but will also change the way you program. Let's begin.